What's going on, guys? My name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Today's topic is OMG network, and look at this. Exactly what happened, which I predict before. I already told you guys like it for my first entry almost around $12, and then I told you like I have to wait because I'm filling my second entry, which is almost around $11, and then third one, which is almost around a $10, but it didn't fill my fourth one. We are thinking a fourth one and the fifth one almost $8. The last one, I already mentioned this thing in my previous video. If you didn't see my previous video, go see it and watch it, what exactly I'm talking about it, what exactly my price prediction for that. All right, so if the price goes higher from this area, almost around $10.40, if it goes higher from this level, this is a major support. It's already created for the investors or created for the OMG holders. This is a massive support, and previously it's bounced from this support, and I think it's reached almost around $8.80, but somehow it's bounced before it reaching that level. So it bounced from before almost around $9.40. So my entry didn't fill it yet. So after almost a three entries, so almost approach a 25% first, and then 25 and 25 and 25, 25, almost 100%. Just like if I have $100, just let give you some example. If I have $100, so I divide it into the four parts, almost around 25, 25, 25, 25, and I take entry step by step because already it's a dumping from almost around $20. So the almost a 50% dump is the best one for the holder and investors, because always the big whales and giants always believe in a 4 hours time frame, and that's why I'm monitoring right now. All right, so let's dive into the chart and look at this one, and why people say that like it's going even more down, and because BTC just taking correction, and price not letting higher from this price point. So let me tell you, I told you guys, whenever I take entry, I openly said that like I'm going to take entry. Why I'm opening my entry? What exactly the use case behind it? Or what exactly the reason behind it? Why I'm just taking entry? I already covered this thing in my previous video. Again, if it reached almost around $9, and because I missed that, so it didn't fill my previous entry. So what happened? I'm just waiting for if it fall again and it reach almost around $9.50 golden pocket. I'm going to fill my third entry, and if it reach that level, I grab it, and that's my third entry. I'm not waiting for the fourth one because I already waiting for fourth one, but it didn't fill yet, because almost third entry it didn't fill a bigger $9. I already placed the entry right there. So that's why I'm just thinking if it reached that level again to the almost around $9.50, or even a little bit 60 cent, I'm going to fill my entry, and waiting it reached almost around 13 or 14. So that is my exit entry. Oh, I'm looking exit entry, where I'm looking exit entry. So I'm looking exit entry at almost around, I'm looking exit entry almost around a $15, because in the 16 or 70 there's a massive sell wall. If it reaches that level, so a lot of panic selling is going on, my entry not filling it. So I'm always looking for average exit entry. I don't need any kind of big chunk of profit. I didn't require that much of profit, because when we become a greedy, it's hard to exit out, and we hard to it's hard to take a profit from this market for these reason. So that's why I want to control my greediness, I want to control my trades, I want to control my feelings. That's why I never put single amount in a one stock or in one coins, no matter what exactly the use case is. So I never do that. So I just divide my portfolio in so many tokens. All right, guys, not a financial advice, I'm just sharing my personal opinion. Do you own the share before investing any cryptocurrency? All right, guys, thank you for watching. Great and wonderful day ahead. Bye bye, and take